Nico, come on, they can't see the video
Hold on,
yet.
there's a few more.
This isn't up yet. We have
There's
fans
an HDMI
that
that
want
doesn't
to
get
watch
plugged
this
in.
video.
Okay, I got it. Look, I got it.
Nico! Get us on the ASUS ROG Rapture GT6 instead.
The what?
Never mind, I'll do it myself. Ah! You're a lifesaver.
You're welcome.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Are you kidding me?
Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. I know what you need. If you play any online games, you need reliable Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you make yourself a target for some good old clowning from your online friends about slow speeds and poor connection. Trust me, it hurts. Look no further than the ASUS ROG Rapture GT6 Wi-Fi router. This is a Wi-Fi 6 tri-band gaming mesh system that'll give you fast speeds, wide range, and network security, all while looking like two mini PCs. They're incredibly stylish and powerful, but if we want to get the full experience, we better unbox this. I don't know why, but I weirdly love when boxes have shrink wrap on them. I think this is like the most satisfying of packages to open. Oh, that's cool. So on the back side, you have all of your like important specs here on the background. I want to open it this way. There we go. Ah, okay. Yes! Okay, so in here you have your setup tips, and then here are the routers themselves. This is so cute. I love the style choice we've taken here. Here's the first one. Ah, this is so cool! Everything should have a little bit of decoration on it, and I like that they really went all out with this. Wow! You have this transparent front side here that says ROG, and then you have all these decals on the sides. This is sweet. I do think these look like mini PCs. And then here's our second one. Sweet. This is so nice. See, your Wi-Fi shouldn't be hidden away. It should be displayed. This is so cool. And then in here, it looks like we have some setup instructions, a VIP member warranty notice, your quick start guide in both English and Spanish. And then in this last little box, oh, okay, sweet. These are our 2 power cords for each of your routers. And then in here are the power bricks, and then your Ethernet cable. Heck yeah, I love when they give you everything that you need. No need to stop at another store and pick up some parts that they would have forgotten. Everything's here. Here it is, the ASUS ROG Rapture GT6. Look at the colors. They already had the details down, but now we have beautiful colors. They're stunning, and they come in 2 colors. So right now we have the black one, and they also come in white. For those who dare, well then consider me the most daring of them all, because this 2-pack of routers will launch you to new speedy heights. This is Wi-Fi 6, far exceeds the capacity and speed of Wi-Fi 5 over 2 times. The Rapture GT6 takes your Wi-Fi up several notches by providing 3 clear 160 megahertz channels without any radar system interference, giving you stable and powerful mesh performance of up to 10,000 megabits per second. This is made possible because of the 10 streams featured here. The more streams, the more reliable and speedy your network gets. Plus, you're covered thanks to Range Boost Plus and 9 internal antennas that'll eliminate dead zones and provide coverage up to 5,800 square feet. If you live in a place somehow bigger than that, call me. If you're looking for a wired connection, you'll get to enjoy up to 2.5 times faster wired connectivity with a 2.5 gigabit per second WAN port and 3 gigabit LAN ports. You also get an added USB 3.0 Gen 1x1 port as an extra perk. If you live in a home with kiddos, no worries. Kiddos and anyone veering away from undesirable content will appreciate the enhanced network security. Along with WPA3 protection, you'll also have access to tools like advanced parental controls, safe browsing, and more with AI Protection Pro powered by Trend Micro. One of my favorite features is ASUS Instant Guard, which will allow users to use their router system as a VPN tunnel so that you can have a safe and secure internet connection even when using free public Wi-Fi. Finally! The hackers at Starbucks can't get to me anymore. Make your next Wi-Fi upgrade fast ASUS ROG Rapture GT6 Wi-Fi system. Check out the links in the description below to get yourself some sweet, sweet Wi-Fi 6. And while you're there, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another episode? See you next time. We just unbox this.